Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to file an income tax return under Section 44 ADA. This section simplifies tax filing for certain professionals by allowing them to declare income on a presumptive basis. It's designed to reduce the compliance burden, making tax season much easier. We'll cover who qualifies, how income is calculated, and the forms you'll need to use effectively. To qualify for Section 44 ADA, you must be engaged in a specified profession, such as legal, medical, engineering, or architectural services. Your total gross receipts from the profession should not exceed $75,000 in a financial year. Under this scheme, you declare 50% of your total gross receipts as your presumptive income, simplifying calculations significantly. When filing under Section 44 ADA, you'll typically use Income Tax Return Form 4, also known as SUGEM. This form is designed for individuals and Hindu undivided families opting for the presumptive income scheme. Remember to file your return by the due date, which is usually July 31st. A key benefit is not needing to maintain extensive books of accounts. The primary advantage of Section 44 ADA is the significant reduction in compliance burden. You don't need to maintain detailed books of accounts or get them audited, provided you declare at least 50% of your gross receipts as income. While beneficial, understand that if you declare less than 50%, you might need to maintain books and get an audit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.